Fertilizer A, 60% filler. Fertilizer B, 40% filler. And a total of 240 pounds of filler materials. So we can write 0.6 for fertilizer A, which is X, and 0.4 for fertilizer B, which is Y. 240. To convert these percents to decimals, you just divide by 100. To take 95% of 380, you multiply by 0.95, and you get 361. While you could set this one up as a proportion, so many out of 90 is equal to so many out of 225, once they give you the percentage, you can just multiply that directly by 225. So 225 times 0.256. B is the closest answer. A waiter receives tips on average 15%. So if the bill is $78.20, we're going to multiply this by 0.15. That's how you take 15% of it. You get $11.73, which is closest here to 12. 800 students increased by 5%, so 100 plus 5 over 100, or in other words 800 times 1.05. You can also recognize that for every 100 we had 5 more, and there's 800, so we're increasing by 40. Total number of states on the bottom, the number of states in the Midwest region on top, and if we want to get this out of 100, we could just double this, and it's 24 out of 100, which is 24%. We had 11 employees participate in this survey, and 2 of them gave a rating of 5, so if you take 2 divided by 11, you'll get your answer. 7% of juniors, this many juniors. 5% of seniors, and this many seniors. So you multiply like this by the decimal equivalents, and then you add those two together to find the total number of people inducted into NHS. So 39 juniors, 30 seniors, B. 40 is on the bottom, 15 is on top. If you divide, you get 0.375. If you multiply that by 100, 37.5%. To take 120% of something, you can multiply by 1.20, or just 1.2. Here, 20% of 1,000 is going to be 200. So if you take that twice, you get 2,400. So $120 earned, 8 people attended. And we used 43% of the money to pay for costs. So what's left as a profit? I can find that percentage by taking 100 minus 43 divided by 100. Or in other words, by multiplying by 0.57. This gives me $68.40.